I've been trying out public.com throughout 2025, curious if it still holds up as a social investing platform with transparency and community at its core. It promises commission-free trading, unique engagement features, and easy access to finance for everyone. After using it weekly, I'm asking, is it a genuine community-powered broker or just a social media-wrapped stock app? Let's see. Public.com is a mobile-first investing platform that combines social features with stock, ETF, and crypto trading, all commission-free. It encourages community-driven investing, with users sharing charts, messaging insights, and exploring fractional positions. In this review, I'll walk through its best components, pricing setup, where it creates real value, where it falls short, and who's likely to get the most out of it. First off, opening an account takes minutes, and enabling full trading is as seamless as verifying your identity. Investing in fractional shares starts at just $1. The real differentiator is the platform's social layer. Investors post stories on a stock or ETF, explaining why they're buying or selling. You can follow users, comment, like, and get snapshots of sentiment. The feed feels like Twitter for investing, but with filters, moderation, and a focus on insight over noise. The trading experience itself is straightforward. Limits, market, and conditional orders are all present, and the app gives built-in charts, basic news, and price drivers. You also get themed collections, curated portfolios like sustainable foods or future tech, good for inspiration or watching group-level trends. Crypto is supported for major tokens, and there's a cash management account earning modest yield. Com remains transparent. All trade execution is free for stocks, ETFs, and crypto. No commission, no account minimums, and no inactivity fees. Crypto trades include built-in small spreads. Moving from the free platform to the premium tier, Public Premium offers priority features like extended hours trading and deeper chart overlays, still quite affordable. The platform keeps monetization ethical, largely through optional paid memberships, rather than needing users to trade frequently or upgrade forcefully. What users appreciate: Public.com excels at making investing feel social, not transactional. Investors, especially beginners, praise the educational value of crowd-driven content and the supportive tone of posts. The interface is honest and inviting, expressive stock callouts, easy investing, and intuitive navigation. It's also effective at bridging excitement and responsibility, guardrails, slow spam, or self-promotion. Plus, the integrated themed portfolios and collections make exploring sectors lively and approachable. Where it falls short, but there are trade-offs. Advanced traders might feel limited. The platform lacks margin, performance analytics, or deep technical chart tools. Crypto is only semi-expanded. Because the social feed is user-generated, insights range widely in quality, so you still need filter judgment. And while financial tools and thematic content excel, for serious trading, model building, or tax reporting, you'll eventually outgrow the platform. Public.com shines as a creative, social-first investment platform, best for investors who value learning through community and visual discovery over deep analytics. It's fun, easy to use, and meaningful for long-term investors following trends. But if you demand advanced features or institutional-grade tools, you'll find it limiting. Public.com makes investing feel less lonely and more communal, perfect for curiosity and engagement, but not yet built for power traders. If this review helped, tap like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your investing vibe: deep analytics or social trend watching. I'd love to explore the best platform with you next time.